So now we would be discussing the next query, which is select. Okay, so with the help of select, basically what we would do with the select query, it is basically used to retrieve any data. Okay, so as previously we discussed, in database we are storing lot of records. हम डेटाबेस में बहुत सारे रिकॉर्ड स्टोर करते हैं, एंड नाउ वी वांट इट टू बी रिट्रीव और एक्सट्रैक्ट. सो दैट कुड बी डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ सेलेक्ट क्वेरी. सो देयर इज अ एग्जांपल, लिस्ट ऑल द स्टूडेंट रिकॉर्ड्स. सो इट इज आस्किंग for the record of the student table. Okay, so now with the help of this example we would be seeing कि how to get the complete table data. ठीक है, जो complete table data है वो कैसे extract कर सकते हैं. So the query to write it, the solution to above query is select star from student. So here star means all, means if I want to extract all the data I would use the star symbol. So it represents the all data of the table. Whatever table I am selecting, it would represent the complete data of that table, and from is the keyword which we always use with the select query. From student, here student is the table name. So we would get this result. So this was the student table. So it contains ID, name, date of birth and so on. So next we would see another example of select query. So there is an example. So it's asking for list the names and house code of 1A student. See, now this question is very different from the previous. ठीक है, इस question में it's saying कि I want to list the names. Okay, again we are considering that table only, students, basically it's student table. Okay, so from that student table we want only the names and the house code. Okay, and if you can see there is written 1A. So this 1A is a condition. Okay, so this is a condition. So this is a condition which I am applying on the table. So how to write it? Select, then we want these two, name. Okay, H code is according to the table. Okay, whatever it's mentioned in the table you would write that column name. So H code, comma, class, obvious, because if we have given some condition which is 1A here it is a class. So ये condition हो गई. हमें क्या चाहिए? Name, H code and class from where? From the table student. So it would not come here. Then after that we are putting a condition, so we would write where. Okay, so here where is used for giving the condition. Okay, so where class is 1A. So after this you would be mentioning the semicolon. Okay, so if you can see here in this figure, ठीक है, एक table है class name की, and sorry, there is a table which is student. In this we have some column which is known as class. If you can see there are multiple class, 1A, 1A, 1B and so on. So अब इस complete table में से we require the class which is 1A. So when we are going with this query, we would get this result. We would get this a table, another it would contains a class column, and what it would show only the 1A data. So this data which is 1B and so on, like if there is a 1C it would not be there, if it's 1D and so on. So other than 1A the record would be deleted. So next we would be discussing insert query and update query. So for this query we would be seeing a common table which is vendor. So before discussing the syntax, ठीक है, इसका syntax discuss करने से पहले we would see कि what is insert. As name says that if I want to insert any new column, okay, or any row, I can use this query. Okay, now update is another update. As the name says that if I want to modify, okay, if I want to modify or alter, okay, so you are modifying or alter any information. So we insert query is used to insert some new row or column, and update is to modify or alter the information. So if you can see, there's a table vendor. We have vendor ID, vendor name, date of registration, location. So now the questions on basis of this queries. So it is written, write a query to add a new row. Okay, so if there's written add, means what query should we go with? We should go with the insert query. So we would be going with the insert query. So how to apply insert? Insert into. So always remember, into is a keyword which is always used with insert. So insert into where? Vendor. So if you can see, there's the table vendor. So we were working on this table. अभी insert into table का name हो गया vendor, then values. Okay, so this is another keyword which is used with insert. So in this we would be writing in bracket. So you would write this thing as it is. Okay, so this is what? This is vendor ID, this is rename, date of registration, and the location. So now next is write a query to modify the location of V003 from Kolkata to Gujarat. Okay, so here if you can see, there's a keyword modify. So when we are talking about modify, कौन सी query हम use कर सकते हैं? Update. Okay, so when we are talking about modify, we talk about the query update. So how to write it? Update, then is the vendor is the table name, then set is always a keyword जो हमेशा अपडेट के साथ यूज होता है. लोकेशन, सी इट्स सेइंग हियर कि क्वेश्चन में क्या कह रहा है कि लोकेशन ऑफ, सो दिस इज द लोकेशन. So this location is a column which I want to change, which I want to modify. ठीक है, so अब location is Gujarat, means this is the new location. Okay, earlier means there was a location where it was Kolkata. Now I want to change it to Gujarat. So always if you are writing a location initially with the set, तो यहाँ पे कौन सी होगी mention? जो new location है, where location equals to Kolkata. After where you are mentioning that location जो previously है, जो हमें change करनी है, and after that semicolon. So if you can see in this query, this query is written in multiple lines. ठीक है, ये line multiple lines में लिखी जा रही है. So this is line 1, line 2 and line 3. When we have discussed the rules, SQL queries के हमने rules discuss करे थे, there we mentioned that we can write the queries in 2 or more lines. Okay, so there's no issue if you are writing the query in the multiple lines. So thanks.